This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting an elevated command prompt because the flush command requires admin rights. Sign in with an admin account, press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. Once open, make sure any browsers or VPN software are closed to prevent cached DNS entries from persisting in apps. This immediate setup avoids permission errors and ensures the system resolver is the one you're clearing, not just an application-level cache. With admin command prompt ready, type ipconfig/flushtons and press enter. This instructs Windows to clear its DNS resolver cache. You should see a confirmation. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. If you don't, check that the DNS client service is running, type services, MSC, and confirm its status. Once done, you can also run ipconfig/displaydons to verify entries are gone. These checks explain why flushing sometimes appears ineffective. Either the service wasn't active or an app level. To finish, verify the result by running ipconfig/displaydons. You should see few or no cached records. Restart browsers and any network apps so they request fresh DNS lookups. If entries persist or networking issues appear, reboot the PC. That forces a full reset. Troubleshooting tip: if flushing fails, run netch int IP reset and netch winsock reset, then reboot. This resets the network stack and often resolves stubborn DNS or connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.